Most people think of nature as background scenery, something to admire, photograph, maybe hike through when the weather's nice. But the forest isn't passive. It's not just a collection of trees. It's a living network pulsing with awareness. It's watching you, feeling you, and maybe, just maybe, it's communicating with you. You've likely felt it before, that calm that sweeps over you the moment you step into the woods. Your breathing slows. The tension in your chest eases. Your mind begins to quiet without effort. Science would tell you it's just the clean air, the greenery, the escape from urban noise. But what if that peace you feel isn't just your body reacting? What if it's a response from the forest to you?